Right. Alright, so that short of me calling in some javelinas got quite a bit of traction, so that kind of shows me that you guys want a tutorial video. So I'm going to kind of show you how I call, and then I'm going to play some videos of an actual hunt from a couple weeks ago of me actually calling in some javelina and harvesting them. So the call I'm using is this Primos Javelina Call. It works okay. I got a guy building me some custom calls right now from his call company, but typically, let me show you how this call sounds if you're just going to blow into it. So it kind of sounds weird, right? So what I like to do is do like a with my voice, like an elk bugle. So kind of give it like a little raspier voice. And then I just kind of blow it with, and then I use my hands to imitate, similar to any predator call, like kind of, it's like a baby's crying, right? So let me show you how I do it, and then I'm gonna roll those clips. So yeah, anytime I use that call, when I see javelina, they come. I don't really have too much good luck with it blind calling. Or also too, is if you spook a herd, could do a call and most likely one's gonna come back. So good luck and watch these films. Alright guys, all the links are below for the call and anything else to get a hold of me or anything else to kind of link, so check that out. So there's some javelinas 200 yards. I'm gonna try to call them. Alright, just a little side note is I'm just staying calm. I'm not freaking out that there's javelinas running all around me at 10 yards. Anytime you're big game hunting, just kind of stay calm and some cool things will happen. Watch this. Right. Here's a little lesson for you guys. This one is following the same path the other ones did. So remember that in case you ever potentially get a shot on an animal that's kind of holding up. Alright, at this point the call is just in my mouth, so it's not going to make the greatest sound, but it's going to work.